Hello everyone, my name is Tommy Song. I am a senior at Brenham High School. Welcome to this video where I'll be walking you through the Canvas setup process as a parent step by step. I apologize for the delay on this video as I have just recently figured everything out and I definitely did not want to spread any false information. This is a disclaimer that I am filming this video on Tuesday 9 p.m. August 11th. Supposedly, Brenham will be releasing all the courses onto Canvas today at midnight, which is in 3 hours. So in today's video, you will not be seeing any courses on mine or my mom's dashboard. I've also linked you HSD's information on Canvas setup down in the description, so you're welcome to check that out if you are still confused after watching this video. And now let's get into it. So you can see the web browser that I have opened here. You need to type this link into it, cuhsd.instructure.com/login/canvas/. You will be able to find this link in the description below, and if you click on that, it should get you to the same place. Next, click on the Forget Password option. When you see this page, please enter the email that you use for your Aries registration. If you don't enter the same email, this will not get you the correct pairing information. After you requested your email, you will receive an email from Canvas to reset your password. This may take a little while as you see on the screen for 30 minutes, so please be patient with that process. Now go back to the login page. Again, the link is down in the description. Now use the same email account and the new password that you just set. After you type in the password and hit login, it should get you to the dashboard. As of right now, you can see that there is nothing on my mom's dashboard yet because Brenham hasn't released any information or classes. I will be putting out another video once they are uploaded and explaining the different features of a parent's account on Canvas or the observer account. There isn't an option to enter a pairing code in order to observe your student because that process should be automatically done for you. If you go under Account, then Observing, you see that your child's name being observed. I say this because when I log into my personal Canvas account as a student, there isn't an option to generate a student pairing code. Usually there is a button here for that function, but it looks like Brenham or the Campbell Union District has disabled that. If you don't see your child's name under that, please contact the administration and the school for additional aid. The last thing that I want to talk about is accessing Canvas on your phone. The first thing that you want to do is to click the option QR for mobile login. This will generate a QR code for your phone, and that is by far the easiest way to log in on an app. Next, you want to click Proceed. This will generate a QR code. I've blurred here for privacy reasons that is valid for 10 minutes. Next, download the application from your app store. It should be blue, and click on the option QR Login. It gives you a brief explanation, and there should be a camera when you type in next. And that leads directly to the QR code, and that should log you into your parent dashboard very quickly. You can see that the student, my name is showing up on the app and saying that I am being observed. You can add a student and you can see that this is indeed my mom's parent observer account. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel as I will be exploring the different functions of the Canvas observer account in the next few days. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.